Hello, it's your girl Gina baby. I hope everybody is doing great today. Today dinner is okra stew and banku. So come with me to my kitchen. Let's cook it together. Come with me. So I have okra. I actually cut it myself. Okra, and this is goat meat, and this is tilapia. I fried the tilapia, and these are my vegetables. So let's start. Yeah, so I forgot to tell you about the jute leaves. I always add the jute leaves to my okra. It gives it a good taste and it's very nutritious. So first of all, let's add our okra. I already have my stock, my goat meat stock. That's what I do. So I'm going to put my okra in it to boil it. I'm actually going to put my jute leaves also in, but not now. I want the okra to blend in a little bit to cook and make a little bit softer before I can add the jute leaves, because the jute leaves is already soft. So it's now time for me to put my jute leaves. These are the jute leaves. Let me add the jute leaves to this. Then mix it together. I'm now cutting the vegetables and then I'll blend the vegetables for the stew. I don't actually add too much tomatoes because this is okra and too much tomatoes will cut the slime away, so I don't normally do that. Okay, right now I'm making the stew. This is the beginning of the stew. Okay, so I always cut pepper like this ones and put a little bit, but I take the seed out first before I put it in the stew to give it a nice flavor. And this is pepper. I don't add too much pepper, a little bit, because I already added the pepper, the bell pepper, the fresh pepper. So this is my Maggi shrimp. I add a little bit to it. Then you stir it so it doesn't burn. Okay. So now we have our goat meat. I'm going to put in the goat meat. It's almost done. It tastes very good already. Yummy. It tastes good. Now I'm gonna put my tilapia in. I can sense the aroma. I'm gonna put my tilapia in. And make sure after you put the tilapia, don't keep on stirring it, because the tilapia is a fish, and even though I fried it and it's hard a little bit, it can still, break. Now I have the okra. This is the okra I made. I'm gonna put this okra in the stew. Apparently I can put everything in because it's already full. So, okra stew is ready. Okay, let's put a little bit more inside. Okay, we're gonna cover it to let it simmer a little bit, and then we'll come back to it. So Apparently, I told you guys I'm going to make you okra stew and banku for dinner today. So this is the mixture of the banku. We actually mix the condo. That is where I come from. We mix the condo and ground cassava fufu to it. So we keep on stirring till it's cooked. So my friends, I like the way in Ghana we used to cook our banku. You know, we actually have this coal pot. It's called coal pot. Okay, we put coal pot. We put the pot with this mixture, with the banku mixture in it, and then we have this small stool that we sit on it. It's very fun and it's very comfortable when you are sitting down and then you put your two legs on the metal and you keep on, driving the banku. It's very comfortable, but in this country, look at this, I have to stand. When you go to work, you are doing 12 hours, you are standing. You come home, you are cooking, you are standing. So look at it, I'm doing banku, there's no chair for me. I need to stand and keep on stirring it till it gets cooked. If you try the local way of driving banku in Ghana or Nigeria or wherever you are in Africa, if you liked it, give a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel because there are more coming.